So folks, when we want to get anything done, whenever we want to do anything, accomplish absolutely anything, there are three things that come to our minds. What? What do we want to accomplish? How? How do we want to do this? And why? Why do we want to accomplish this thing? Now, there's a guy you can find online, his name is Simon Sinek. And basically what Simon talks about is, he highlights this idea of why, of being the foundation, being arguably the most important out of the three. Let's talk about it. So let's say you want to do something. What do you want to do? You want to be more productive? Excellent. Okay? So we know what is productivity. How? How do you want to be more productive? You start thinking to yourself, okay, I'm going to wake up at 6 a.m. every single morning. That's how. Beautiful. So you know what you want. You know how you're going to get it. Why? Why? Why is it all? Why are you doing this? Why is it worth the effort? See, most people, they always get stuck on the how. How am I going to do it? How am I going to do this? Right? I want to be an entrepreneur. How do I get money? I want to become an engineer. How do I get there? What do I have to do? And the focus of this talk is, why is everything? Because when you're lying in bed, and when your alarm goes off at 6 a.m. and you're lying there, it's not what you're thinking. You know you want to be productive. It's not how. It's not telling yourself, well, I should be getting up now at 6 a.m. in order to be productive. This is what's going to tip the scale in your favor. This is your everything. If this is strong, all of your poker chips will always fall in the right place. Because when you're lying in bed and you're thinking, the brain is extremely intelligent, my friends. Extremely intelligent. It's going to come up with all sorts of logical and rational explanations as to why you should lie in bed and take it easy and relax. But when it's telling you, oh, Daniel, just another 15 minutes, or oh, you know, what's today going to do? We're going to miss one day, big deal, whatever. You know what? I'll just do it later on in the day. This is what's going to keep you going. This is your comeback. This is your backlash. But as soon as you have those sorts of thoughts, you go, no. The reason why I'm doing this is because my life is on the line. Whatever your reason may be, if you're talking about you're waking up early to work out, maybe one of your whys is, you know what, I'm having serious health problems. I'm going to the doctor and he's saying, in terms of long term, it's looking scary. And maybe that's you thinking about your health, saying, literally for the sake of your life, this is why you have to wake up early, so you can do your exercise before going to work, so you can get into better shape. Your business is failing. This is your why. Why am I waking up at 6 a.m. so I can put in the extra effort? Because me waking up at 6 a.m. might be the difference between me becoming something in the next 2 to 3 years, or me going bankrupt.